Oh, hey there. You called me. I'm in the middle of calculating your macros because you just signed up for Beyond Macros. I've got your macro calculator. Before we get to it, we might do your micro calculator. And then we're gonna weigh things out and use my trusty robot to make sure everything's going all right. So first things first, I've put all of the information from your intake form into the macro calculator, and we're just gonna heat this thing up with the newest macro calculation technology. Microwave macros 3000. We'll just let that thing heat up for a while. Next thing that I'm gonna do is just write a few things down. Little secret formula. Teach it when you're inside.
A few moments later.
Here we got our calculating robot. Here's all your information. Let's eat it there, Robbie. Oh yeah, calculate those macros.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, sounds like somebody's macros are ready. Let's see what we have here. The moment of truth. Oh wow. Look at these macros. I've never seen macros like this. 199. You are one lucky Beyond Macros client.
What about radiation in my macros?
Oh, hey. So I was just deciding that, we have those macro 3000 calculations, and Robbie the robot gave us some calculations, but those are really conventional. I want to make sure that we have some nice, free-range, gluten-free, grass-fed, organic macros for you. So I'm just going to take some time and write a few things here down on my little macro calculator worksheet. And I'm just going to put this on in the oven because we don't want the radiation.
11 minutes later.
All right, so we're just waiting for those organic ones to finish up. There's a little extra step that we need to take. It's not just like taking it out of the macro 3000. Sounds like things are ready. Come on in. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, they've made a bit of a transformation. So this here is actually an ancient Turkish technique of calculating macros. So we put the paper in the oven and it turns into a coffee cup full of coffee grounds. And what we do from there is we just flip it over onto the piece of paper, and then the pattern that emerges is your macros. So what we see here is actually that we have 1, 2, 3 curve. So what that really means is that you have 3 macros and you have a lot of them. That's a really good sign for you, new Beyond Macros client.
A few inches later.
All right, exciting stuff. Now that we've done your macro 3000 calculation, we've used Robbie the robot to take some time to calculate your macros, and we've used this free-range, gluten-free, organic, ancient Turkish technique to figure out what your macros might be. I'm gonna have to take some time to meditate on these numbers. So I'm gonna go fast, and then I'm gonna go to the local mountain, and I'm gonna meet my shaman up there. And over some time, it's just gonna come to me what your macros are gonna be. And I guarantee it'll be within 24 hours. So I'll make sure to email you all of the information about getting started and your macros as soon as it hits me. Again, I promise it'll be in 24 hours.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one. Macros. Macros. Macros.